Hey guys, welcome to Muriatic Creations. My name is Christine and this is where I like to share my creative crazy pursuits with you. In this video, I'm going to show you how I turned this shell into this shell. Stick around. This wasn't my idea. I had a coworker who had a shell sitting outside and she thought of me because she knows I do these crazy wild things. And she approached me and asked me if maybe I could clean up this beautiful shell that she picked up in Belize in 2007. I thought, okay, you know what? It's new. I don't understand what I'm doing, but I'll figure it out and we'll see what can happen. Now what? What do you do? I mean, digital age, thank you YouTube, thank you Google, I got me some ideas. I saw bleach, I saw toothpaste, I saw mineral oil, I saw all these things, and the one thing that stood out would be the muriatic acid. I think that's how you say it. I'm wrong, it's
muriatic acid.
Okay, carry on. I was at Home Depot and there was a big pallet full of
muriatic acid.
And my husband was like, isn't that what you were thinking of? And I said, you know what? It is, and it's right there, so let's buy some. And that's how I made the decision. It just kind of made itself. I dug out my picky tools and a little brush and I played archaeologist. Here I'm scraping off all the calcifications, some of the barnacles, the coral, scrapey, messy. And I was really proud of this one spot. It's coming up here and you could see that I actually got the crack visible. Look at that. There's some crack there. After getting up close and personal with that shell for as long as I did, I saw that it really needed a bleach bath. Got to kill all those microbes on there and make it clean for preservation. Here it is, guys. What we've both been waiting for. Safety first, always. Follow the recommendations. Pour the acid into water, not the other way around. And here it goes. I'll let you watch. Listen. Check out the little fog coming off of that. That is some strong acid, you guys. In the water dip, and I let it sit there and dry. It's looking pretty good. It's got all those little shells that are stuck to it that are now loose because of the acid. Once it was dry, I took some sandpaper and worked on the darker spots. Looks like the acid loosened that all up and I was able to get it up and off. I decided to use epoxy for the sealant. My coworker wants the shell to be nice and shiny. I'm using Amazing Clear Cast Plus, which is enhanced UV stability. It's equal parts A and B mixed together. And then I take one of my little old brushes and I'm putting on a thin layer. I'm also going to make sure that I use a heat gun to blow out the bubbles as it's there. I do this a couple of times. The process takes a few days, but you know what? The results speak for themselves. Okay guys, it's ready. Before we take a look, I just want to thank my current subscribers. If you're not subscribed yet, consider doing so. Go ahead and hit the like button if you think I did a good job, and also check me out on Patreon if you want to support me any further. All right guys, let's take a look.